Hello, are you a Jamb candidate for 2024? I discovered that there are some things you may not even be told, or you may not even hear from your school, or if you are going to a tutorial, there are some things they will not tell you. So in this video, I am going to bring to your notice things that you are supposed to know and you are supposed to give attention to exactly in the Jamb examination hall. My name is Arende Samson. I am a second year student of Ekiti State University in the Department of Arts and Language. So in this video, like I said, I am going to tell you some secret things or some things that you really need to know that you may not be told in your school or in the tutorial you are attending. So the number one thing that I need you to give attention to is that you must come early. That one is very, very important. If you don't come early, then any other thing you want to say will be worthless. So it cannot be emphasized that you must come early to the examination hall. Students start failing when they come late to the examination hall. You may not be able to hear the information that has been passed earlier to your colleagues. So it's important that you come early. And also the second thing I would love to tell you is that check your system, that is the mouse, the keyboard, and the monitor screen, or if it is laptop that is used in your home center, check everything. If everything is working fine, please check it. It's important so that you don't have to start your work and then the computer broke down along the way, and if this happens, there's nothing they want to do about it. That means you have to write it again next year. Also, please notice that when a question looks simple, it is a trap. In Jamb, anytime a question looks simple to you, it is a trap. Please give attention to it. Anytime you see a question and you feel, oh, this question is too cheap for me, I know it, this and that, please consider checking it again. It can be a trap in order for you to fall into it. All right, so no question comes cheap. You want to have success, so don't ever think it will come cheap. Don't think it will be easy. So anytime you read the question and you feel it's too easy, please check it again, read it again. All right, do not leave any question unanswered. All right, but answer simple questions first. You can skip some questions and go to another one, but do not leave any question untouched, whether or not you know them. Because some people ask me that, is it better you don't know any question from Jamb, that you should leave it? Will it not deduct any score from you? And I understand those people, but this is what I'm saying. It cannot deduct any mark from you. It is what you get that you'll be given. You not what you not get slightly will not be subtracted from the actual mark. Do you understand what I'm saying? Also, please be as calm as possible. If you are not calm in the examination hall, everything that you'll be doing will seem like hell to you. You really need to be calm in order to make success. All right, if you are not calm, you just be like, time is going, let me do this, let me do that. By the time you check your time, you discover you have not even done anything special. Please be time conscious. Time is very, very important and pertinent. Be time conscious. It's better for you to divide your time into 4. That is the time you are going to use for the 4 subject combinations. Divide it and make sure you stick to the time. Make sure that your dressing to the examination hall is good and it showcases you as a good student. I've made a video on that, on Jamb prohibited items. I want to go back to this YouTube channel and check the videos I've made. You're going to see it there, but I'm still going to drop the link in the comment section of this video. All right, please dress responsibly as a student. I will advise you to check other videos I've made on Jamb success and examination success on this YouTube channel in order to help you to gain more knowledge for the forthcoming Jamb examination. So if you find this YouTube channel interesting, or you feel that there are some people that it's much more useful for, I want you to share this YouTube channel link, subscribe, like, and comment, and share it with people that you think can benefit maximally from it. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.